The risks are crystal clear, but the benefits remain fuzzy. When it comes to AI risk, corporate America speaks with remarkable clarity. Over half of the S&P 500 companies cited cybersecurity as a primary AI concern in their 2024 filings. Match Group warned that the use of AI has been known to result in and may in future result in cybersecurity incidents that implicate the personal data of end users. Lululemon also expressed concern about the security risks that are posed by advanced AI technologies, which could lead to sensitive information such as transaction data being compromised. Microsoft struck an almost dramatic tone, warning the ineffective or inadequate AI development or deployment practices by Microsoft or others could result in incidents that impair the acceptance of AI solutions, causing harm to individuals, customers, or society, or result in products and services not working as intended. The legal and regulatory concerns follow close behind. Meta, despite investing billions in AI research, warned that it could face large legal settlements over allegations that we used various copyrighted books and materials to train our artificial intelligence models. Even companies with minimal AI exposure, such as PepsiCo, raised similar worries. Our use of artificial intelligence may result in increased claims of infringement or other claims, including those based on unauthorized use of third party technology or content. But when it comes to the benefits, the language becomes remarkably vague. Companies repeatedly mention optimization, automation, and productivity gains without any specifics. Even Meta, one of AI's biggest champions, admitted this in its 10K filings. There can be no assurance that the usage of AI will enhance products or services or be beneficial to our businesses, including our efficiency or profitability. Most companies hope to optimize workflows through automation and achieve market differentiation. Corporate speak that reveals how little clarity exists around AI practical value.